What is up, everybody? I'm doing another tour with 27 North, and I've actually showed them on my channel before. We actually had the owner of the 27 North last time. Today we have Gary, which is the VP of the company. Yes. And we're doing a different rig. Last time we had the Acender, I believe.
That's correct.
Today we're doing the Rex Rover. Now, if you are new to the channel, I do a lot of different tours of a lot of different types of rigs, vans, overlanding rigs, tiny homes, which is what I live in now. I do vlogs as well, but tours is something I truly am passionate about and I love doing, and I love showing off other people, other companies that I believe in and I trust in. So that is why I'm gonna have Gary on today. Enough of me talking, let's have him talk and give us all the information on 27 North and the Rex Rover. Gary, man, what's up?
Not much. Having fun here at Overland Expo.
Dude, shout out to Overland Expo. We're gonna get to the outside kind of at the end because I love talking about the outside at the end.
Sure.
Before that, what are we sitting on? What's the chassis,
we are
make,
sitting
model,
on a Ford F350 Lariat edition.
Is that important, the Lariat, because of the trim level?
It's just the upper, yeah, it's a trim level. It's pretty posh, pretty good stuff.
Pretty posh, you say,
yeah.
Okay. You said it was the 250, however.
We do them on the 350. This is a 250, but the majority of them are all going to be on 350s.
Thank you for saying that, because I don't want people to call you out.
Oh yeah, say, yeah, dude, that's a 250.
Yeah, thank you. You guys rip off the back.
That's correct.
And you put this box on.
We put this box on.
Okay.
Yeah. And this big carbon Kevlar box.
Thank you, carbon Kevlar. Yeah. And we're gonna get into the storage and everything that's out here in the windows a little bit later, but let's step on in. One of the reasons why we're stepping in, everybody, is because it got chilly at Overland Expo, and you are pointing to something.
Let me start off with a washer and dryer.
Please.
That's pretty good. For you outdoors enthusiasts, this only holds a couple of pair of socks and a pair of jeans, so it's little, so you don't have to do full loads of laundry.
How is there water piped into it?
Yep, sure is. Okay. Yeah, well, it's pretty efficient on water. About 5 liters of water go in. So
what brand is this?
It's called a Mini. We get them out of Houston, Texas.
And is it a dual? Is it a washer and a dryer?
Yep.
So you have a washer and a dryer. Like you said, it only does minimal clothing, but enough.
Exactly, just enough to do some socks and underwear.
I'm gonna step on in now.
Yep, step on in. Our bathroom. Let me shut the light on because the light on here. That's kind of a cool thing. Yeah, it's a big bathroom, and kind of a cool thing is our floor. It doesn't matter what angle you're on. Most of the time when you're at an angle, you're going to pool some water in a corner. And with this type of flooring, it doesn't. It drains the whole thing, so you'll never have that little pool of water when you sit there for a couple of days.
Now, because this is now an overlanding rig, this is meant to be kind of beat on, and you guys built this very durable.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we're hoping people take it off-road and spend a lot of time off-grid.
And this is kind of the baby to your Acender. Your Acender is your...
That's the big mother,
The big mothership, right?
Yeah, that's the mothership.
And I think a lot of people were requesting something...
A little bit smaller, a little bit more utilitarian, not so... You know, the Acender is like a moving yacht. It's luxury inside, maple cabinetry, glass door showers. This is a little more utilitarian.
And price point.
And a way better price point.
Well, now that I'm here at the price point, can you tell me what the price point we are sitting on right now?
Completely decked out with the 350.
Right.
You're looking at $427.
$427.
MSRP.
Completely decked out.
Decked out.
You can get it less, but you're going to get a lot less options.
Exactly. It doesn't have the Overland package. You can put a base package, it'll save you some money, but everybody wants the Overland package.
And there's a lot of people are going to be gawking at that price. But 1/5 of that price, if not more,
is the truck itself.
Thank you. Is just a chassis, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That 6.7 HO diesel engine is pretty expensive in the Lariat package.
I'm going to now spin around. I'm going to switch spots with you.
Yeah. Sounds
good. And you can talk to me about this.
Huge king size sleeping area.
Dude, it's massive.
It's really big. And look at the headroom in here. You've got 3 big windows, all with blackout screens and bug screens, so it's pretty cool.
Now, Overland Expo is actually really nice that it allows us to camp on site.
It sure does.
Pretty sure. Have you been sleeping up there?
I have not, but my partner has, and he's 6'7" and stretches out. Mark is our director of sales, and he stretches out at 6'7".
6'7". He sleeps quite
comfortably up here.
Is he really 6'7"? Is he that tall?
He's that tall.
He is tall.
And then this will drop down into a queen size bed, and that's where I've been sleeping.
Great. Right. And before I get to the back, you have something that a lot of overlanding trucks don't have,
Yes,
which is the pass-through.
pass-through. Yeah, this is really nice. The seats fold down forward. They fold up, or you can take them out.
Okay.
So you can just need gear space if it's you and one other person. It's perfect for that. But you can pass through here. So if it's really bad weather or raining or snowing, you can actually just come through here and you're in the cab without getting out of the cab area.
Do you know the distance from the end of that bed to the back wall back here?
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the
whole overall length from the front of the truck
Yep.
to that back wall right there is 22 feet.
Wow, that's all, huh?
That's all. It feels a lot roomier than 22 foot.
It does feel a lot roomier.
Yeah.
You have a lot of storage in here. You have storage up here.
Yeah, tons of storage.
Here.
Yeah, lots of storage inside.
All with you know, easy pull latches that are very RV, right?
This
very
is all
yacht.
aluminum also, so it's super durable.
Did you hit that pretty hard?
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, it's very lightweight, so that's how we save the weight in this, by not making wood cabinetry everywhere. You know, we use aluminum, so it's a lot lighter.
Durable.
And very durable.
Why do you want to watch that weight? Is because you're trying to watch the
GVWR,
Yeah.
yeah. We want to make it as much towing capacity or gear capacity as possible. So, you know, the lighter the weight, the more it has in it. That's also why we jumped from the 250 to the 350, because the GVWR is much higher.
You brought up towing capacity. You guys just released, 27 North just released something that is next level and something you're actually really proud of.
Yeah.
Which is
It's
what?
our expedition vessel.
Expedition vessel, that's what it's called?
We do a really cool expedition boat. And it's on our website.
Yep, I'll throw a picture of it, don't worry.
Thank you very much. It's really cool.
It's durable.
It's durable. In fact, our motto is do not handle with care.
Do not handle with care.
Yes.
So you could get the Rex Rover, you get the boat, and you could have a great old time at the Ozarks.
Exactly.
Moving on to the electrical system.
Right.
You have, looks like plenty of electrical.
Yeah.
Did you stick with the Master Volt system, or did you switch?
We are now with Lithionics.
Lithionics, okay.
Yeah, Lithionics, and then we do the Victron controller and inverter.
Okay.
We have 900 standard, 900 amp hours of batteries, lithium batteries down below.
Wow.
And then we have 600 array up top for solar.
Okay.
So it does quite well just in the standard conform. But if you want to add another battery, you could have over 1,200.
How about the Starlink? Do we throw a Starlink in here?
You sure can. Yeah, and most people do.
Yeah,
You know,
I'm sure they
it's
do.
cool to have that.
All your controls right here.
Correct.
Because I see 0 switches.
Yeah, well, we do offer, if something happened to this control, you're not out, you can actually do everything over here via switch.
That's smart.
Yeah, so it's kind of a backup that if this panel ever goes out or whatever, then you can have everything done manually.
Awesome. Just really convenient molly board.
Yes, kind of cool. Little magnet up here in case you
Yeah.
want to do knives or something like that.
And I'm going to switch sides with you, and we can talk about the back.
All right. The Galley is kind of cool. We kind of tossed around the idea of putting in a stovetop here, but we decided most people like to cook outside and they need prep area, so we do two things. We kind of bring this out for a little extra prep area, or we could bring in a stovetop, place it here, and then plug it in right there. So you can still cook inside if you want to, but if you don't want to, you've got plenty of prep area.
I'm actually the type, even in my tiny house, I have a portable induction.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Right.
Yeah,
and
it just fits in the drawer, it comes out, you plug it in, you use it when you want, put it back away.
For camping purposes, I love that.
We have lots of storage space, like you said, drawers everywhere.
Again, aluminum.
Yep, all aluminum. This is the touch, so you turn it on by just giving the touch. We also have a filter outside that filters all of the water, but we also have an additional filter here to filter out 99.9% of the bacteria, and this will be for your drinking water. We fill up the coffee mug and stuff like that with it, so this is pretty nice to have.
So you have a filter coming into the freshwater tank, like if you were to pull from a stream.
Yep, exactly, and then this will be for drinking water.
Purposes. So you have a kind of a
dual filter. Up here, of course, this is a comfortable seating area.
Yeah, it is.
Quite large and comfortable. You do have a TV here.
Oh, you do? Let me come on the other side and I can see it. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, kind of cool. Of course, Truma. We do our hot water and our heating through diesel.
Okay,
Diesel
so you
fuel
tap
on
into
it.
the existing tank.
Existing tank. Yep.
You have the Truma Combi.
Yep.
Do you have an air conditioner?
Of course, we have the Dometic. If you can scan up there, that's the 2000. We have day-night shades everywhere here, and then we also have bug screen. We actually do have lights and stuff here. We don't have it turned on right now, but yeah, it's very nice to be able to have the entire area here have windows. It gives it a really open feel.
It doesn't, like you said, you can black them out if you want to.
Yeah, exactly.
Now you're about my height, and you looks like you sit back, you got plenty of room actually.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Sitting up, and you're fine. You can sit four back here very comfortably.
Yeah, we actually just had a little conference with one of the people who were buying one, and they brought all the family members there, and there were 6 of them, so they were all sitting here. They were
really?
Yeah, they were very comfortable.
I guess that's a good selling point.
Yeah, it is. You know, we're limited production right now, so we deal with all the dealers. We have dealers set up across the nation.
Okay.
So look on our website that shows all our dealers, and that'd be the place to go and test drive one or talk about a trade-in.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize you guys had dealers around the country.
Yep, sure do.
And you have a new facility being built.
Boy, we cannot wait to get into that. It's going to really increase production, and gosh, this particular Rex Rover unit has gotten such interest because the vans, they're kind of stagnant right now because so many different vans, or so many people are kind of like, oh my gosh, but I want to pull my boat. This has towing capacity, a little bit more room inside, and this seems to be the next ticket.
I actually wholeheartedly agree with you.
Oh, good.
I think that there's a lot of, I shouldn't say a lot, there's other companies trying to do this as well. Mm-hmm. Obviously, I put you on my channel because I believe in your product.
Thank you.
Engine and mechanically, it's all Ford.
It's all Ford.
Do you do anything to the suspension? Absolutely.
Yeah,
okay.
If we go outside and walk around, we have 2 types of his suspension. We do an upgrade to an Icon, which is a really good suspension, off-roading suspension, and we can go one step better, and that's with liquid springs, which is the ultimate suspension.
I was going to say, I thought you went liquid springs, but I guess that's a big upgrade.
Oh, it's a substantial upgrade price-wise, but worth every penny.
If anybody has driven anything with liquid springs, then you would know.
Yeah.
Before we go outside, we're just going to finish off this side. It looks like you have a massive pantry.
Yeah.
And then you have a Dometic fridge.
Correct.
And a GE, is that a microwave?
Yeah.
Or is it a induction microwave, or how does that work?
No, it's just a regular microwave.
Just a microwave?
Just off the batteries. You don't really feel like you're camping. You know, you kind of joke with these other guys around here. They're coming in and they're kind of look tired.
I mean, we're
just coming in. Oh, yeah.
We're out in overlanding festival or gathering, correct, right? Or a
thousands
expo.
are camping out here.
Lots of tents.
Yeah.
Lots of tents. So you come in here, this is a mansion.
It's a mansion.
Compared to a tent.
Absolutely.
And not just like size-wise, but just luxurious features.
It's so comfortable. You know, you really feel kind of bad sometimes because you know these guys are, and it rained last night. You know, we were enjoying the rain. So,
All right, let's go to the outside.
Sounds good.
So you come standard with the awning.
Yep.
Not only is it standard, it's built in.
The awning is pretty cool because it's actually recessed into the cabin there, as you can see. So it doesn't grab any tree limbs or anything else. So it's not going to rip off on you or break your front cap like we've had in the past.
Does your Rex Rover come standard with the paint job? Because it
sure does. This is called Adventure Skin, and we use it on the Acender also.
Okay.
It's a Kevlar base, somewhat similar to a Rhino Line or a Line X.
Yeah.
Super durable, doesn't scratch.
Is it lightweight?
Very lightweight.
Okay, so it's not like a Line X that is actually pretty heavy.
Exactly, very heavy.
Yeah.
35, 12.5 tires are standard.
With the black Rhinos.
With the black Rhino wheels.
You got to.
We use Buckstop custom-made bumper just for us with a 12,500 wrench.
Buckstop because it literally will stop a buck?
I think so. Then we have rigid lights, ditch lights from rigid, and then we offer the 6 off-road lighting also. So we've got plenty of firepower as far as lights go.
Yeah, I would say.
Of course, this is Weston bumper. That's also a slider. That's awesome.
Guys, excuse the people that have to use the generators.
Yeah,
as in
those lithium people.
My man does not.
Anti-lithium. So this is the.
Now you also get on your. This is your show model.
Yeah.
On your customer models is a 4-door typically, is it not?
Nope.
It's
gonna be the same cab.
It's gonna be the same cab. Okay.
Yep.
And I don't even know what that's called.
Now our Super Cab is what it's called.
Super Cab. Okay.
Our Acender is on the crew cab, which is the 4-door.
Yeah.
But we wanted to keep this short and nimble, and more off-road worthy than something really long where you have to do a 3-point turn everywhere you go.
I like it.
These seats do come out. They also fold up. Again, that's the pass-through there. And then this is the lariat package, and it's really nice.
Do you put this on all of them?
We sure do.
Do you really? Of course you do. Look at you with your branding.
I know it. Of course, we have water, 30 amp, and then this is the fuel and diff. This is our water system and cassette for the toilet.
Yeah, I saw they had a cassette toilet. I was going to ask you about that.
That's the access to it. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the first filter, and then of course you have the other filter in the sink. Outdoor shower connects to here, but you can see how clean this is as far as...
Does any of this have fear of freezing in
No,
cold
because it's all heated through here also.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yep, it's open to the gap. So as long as you have heat inside, this is going to be warm also.
That's perfect. You even have a bathroom window. I don't even think I saw that.
Oh yeah, yeah. Here's your access to the roof.
Awesome.
Here. More storage here.
And your power system.
And the power system.
By the way, it's probably one of my favorite inverters that you guys use. That's a Xantex inverter,
yeah.
People that didn't see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is, of course, spare tire mounted here. We do have a receiver hitch here. I pulled a couple of electric bikes here from Mach Wheel.
So do you have 2 receiver hitches? Or do you just have the one?
You can't have the extra receiver hitch from the cup, but we just offer this one because we just offer the bike rack on this one.
Got it. So if I did want to tow your boat.
Yep, you'd have to put a tow bar there, but we can put that on for you.
Got you, okay.
And then inside here, this is a cargo box. You can put, you can put a 12-volt refrigerator up here.
Sure.
Ice chest, and then you can also do a...
What's also nice about that actually is you can put a outdoor fridge and make that your freezer.
Exactly, and then use that as the refrigerator inside.
If you wanted to, go hunting or something and put a bunch of meat in there.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
And then you can put an outdoor stove or something like that up here also.
Awesome.
Or you can just use it for storage.
Sure. You guys thought of a lot of things.
And then over here's more storage. It's pretty roomy.
I'd say.
And then finally...
So that goes underneath the bench that I was sitting on.
Yeah, exactly right.
So can you access that from inside?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
Yeah. And then lastly is our outdoor entertainment center.
Outdoor TV.
Oh yeah. Tailgating at its finest.
Wow, that is actually a good point. We're not even on Sunday football yet.
I'm telling you. And that's about it.
I was going to leave tonight. I might stay and just watch football.
Just watch TV, yeah.
And that's it, he says.
Yeah, that's about the extent of the Rex Rover from 27 North.
Now, you've been working with Pablo a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys know each other very well. There's no end in sight for you. You're VP.
Yeah.
You're stuck here.
I'm stuck.
But you have a bright future with 27 North.
Oh my gosh.
Not just you, but just 27 North.
No, 27 North is poised to be, I think, the leader in this adventure expedition truck category. We've already got other ones in the works already.
So you got the vans, you got the expedition trucks now, you've got the boat now, and you already told me, I don't know if I can say this on camera, maybe I'll cut it out, but the boat is going to be doing some other stuff with it.
Yeah, the boat is going to be not only the open boat system that we have now, the center console, but we're also going to be doing one with a cab. And then we'll have all the luxury that 27 North does on the Acender.
Paul's not going to get mad that we're saying this, is he?
No, he's not.
Okay.
And that's going to be pure luxury inside. So if you want to take an expedition with an Acender and go through Canada and into Alaska and out in the boat in Alaska, you can also drop your boat off and be 27 worthy to go out into the ocean also. So it should be a pretty cool.
Gary, thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks for coming, Jared.
Yeah, again, where can they find you, 27 North?
It'll be www.the27north.com.
The27 North.
Yep.
Also
the or the.
Instagram, Facebook.
Some people are the, some people are the.
I am, okay, fair enough.
Are you a the or the?
I don't even know.
All right.
I'll be honest with you, I actually do not know. So the 27 North, there it is. I guess I'm the.
That's it.
The27north.com and that's across the board social-wise.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, Instagram, everybody else.
Pavel, I'm upset that you're not here. I'm going to call you out one more time. But now you have to take me out to Missouri so I can see your operation.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, Jared.
Later.
I could conquer the night if I can make it.